The digestive system breaks down ingested food and mixes it with fluids to create soft, moist waste. This fluid consists of both ingested liquids and digestive juices. Water is essential for maintaining proper stool consistency and facilitating its movement through the intestines. The large intestine, colon, reabsorbs water from waste to maintain body hydration. Dehydration causes the colon to excessively absorb water from waste. Excessive water absorption leads to dry, hard, and compact stool, hindering its movement through the colon. Dry stool moves slowly through the colon, allowing it to absorb more water, which further hardens the stool. Dehydration weakens intestinal muscle contractions, slowing bowel movements. Reduced fluid impairs efficient food breakdown, leading to a cycle of constipation where hardened stool exacerbates the condition.